Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about some models in De Moivre's theorem. After that, again we will continue the objective in complex numbers. Okay, students. Right now the first one, so that the cos x equal to cos h of ix. So students, the right hand side is there, cos h of ix. What is the students in first year? We know that cos of hx is the e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Everybody know that. In hyperbolic functions, the cos hx is the e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Is there cos h of ix? Therefore, e power ix, e power minus I of x by 2. E power ix plus e power minus ix by 2. Now students, the e power ix is the students cos of x plus I sin x. After that students, this is cos of x minus I sin x upon 2. These two are cancelled. Therefore students, the cos of x plus cos of x is 2 cos of x by 2. This is the students cos of x. The cos h of ix is the students cos h, cos x. Cos h of ix equal to cos x. Now students, is there the another one is there, cos hx equal to cos of ix. How to prove that this is the students? Everybody know that the cos h of x is the form e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So my dear students, e power I theta, we know that cis theta. E power I theta is the cis theta. Cis theta is the cos theta. Just you can write this is cis of ix. This is cis of minus ix whole by 2. Cos x plus I sin x. This is cos x minus I sin x. Now students, how can you write this is cos hx? After then, my dear students, the cos of hx is the e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Now students, what we observed here, the cos of ix. So we are taking, my dear students, on both sides we are taking here the cos h of, instead of x is we take ix. This is e power ix plus e power minus of ix by 2. What students we got? We can replace it by x is ix. Both sides we are taking x is the ix. This is ix. This is e power minus ix by 2. Now students, the e power ix is cis of ix. After then, this is cis of minus of ix whole by 2. So this is the students cis of ix. This is the cis of minus ix. Cis theta, this is the students cos theta, cos of ix plus I sin of ix. This is the students cos of minus ix. How to write the student? Directly you can write it written as cos of ix minus I sin of ix whole by 2. These two are cancelled. Cos plus cos is 2 cos. This is the students 2 cos of ix upon 2. 2 cancel. This is the students cos of ix. What is the students? Cos of ix. My dear students, this is cos of ix, cos h of ix. Again students, replace it by, my dear students, x is the ix. After then, what we got students? Cos h of I into ix. This is also students. How can you write the students? You can simply, we can written as the students. How to write this is the students? So my dear students, My dear students, there is a mistake. Cis theta. So e power ix means, students, there is a mistake here. E power I theta means cis theta, cis x. That is a mistake. What is the, students? E power I theta. E power I theta means cis theta. Cis of x. This is the, students, cis of minus x. So students, how can you write this is the, students, cis x means, how to write this is e power I theta, cis theta, that is cis x. This can be written as the, students, cos of x plus I sin x, cos of x minus I sin of x upon 2. These two are cancelled. Cos x plus cos x is the 2 cos x by 2. This is the, students, cos of x. My dear students, what we observed here, we got cos x. So on both sides replaced by I is the ix. What is the, students? Replaced by x is the ix. That is cos h of I into ix. This is ix. So I into I is the, students, I square. I square is the minus. That is cos minus of hx equal to cos of ix. Cos of minus theta or cos of minus of hx is the cos of hx. Cos of hx, okay students, equal to cos of ix. The cos of hx equal to cos of ax. Dear students, everybody know that what is the form cos hx, e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Suppose replaced by x is the minus x, that is the, students, e power minus x minus of minus plus x by 2. These two are equal. Are you understand, students? The cos of hx equal to cos of minus of hx. Okay students? My dear students, De Moivre's theorem with rational index. We have to know that, students, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is the, students, cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. So where n is an integer, suppose n is the, students, p by q. How can you write the, student? This is, we can written as cos of p by q theta plus I sin p by q. This is where n is the rational number. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, where p by q is the rational number, where q not equal to 0. That is cos of p by q theta plus I sin p by q theta. Okay students, right now the nth root of a complex number. What is the, students? Nth root of a complex number. So students, nth root of a complex number. Dear students, this is the very important concept. So nth root of a complex number, cube root of a complex number, everybody know that, cube root of unity. Suppose students, cube root of unity, that is when we are taking the x, 1 equal to x cube minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, that is x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. Now students, fourth root of unity, that is x 1 equal to, my dear students, x power 4. After that x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0, that is x square plus 1 into x square minus 1, x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1, x square equal to minus 1, this is I square, x equal to plus or minus I. So x equal to plus or minus 1 is the one, and another one x equal to plus or minus y. So this is 1, this is minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. So students, cube root of unity we got 3, and fourth root of unity we got, dear students, this one. Suppose students, how can you write this is? My dear students, just 1 minute. X cube equal to 1. 1 can be written as 1 plus I into 0. That is 1 is the students cos 0 plus I sin 0. The first you can written in the polar form, dear students. This is the students cis of 0, that is x cube. X equal to, my dear students, cis power 1 by 3 0. So there is a form here, students, cis of 2k pi. What is the students we can written as? First you can write 2k pi, general form, students. This is 2k pi plus 0 upon 3. By the De Moivre's theorem we have to know that cis power n theta is the cis n theta. But we can written as, in the general form, we can add in the 2k pi plus 0 by 3, where k is the students 0, 1, 2. Where 3 is there, you can write up to 0, 1, 2. So my dear students, suppose we are substituting k equal to 0. That implies this is the students cis 0. Suppose k equal to 1. This is the students cis of 2 pi by 3. Cis 0 means, students, cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 1, sin 0 0. This is the value. Now students, cis 2 pi by 3 is the students cos of 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Cos 120 minus 1 by 2, sin 120 root 3 by 2, minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2, one of the value. Suppose students we are taking k equal to 2, that is 2 2s are 4, cis of 4 pi by 3. My dear student, this is cis of 4 pi by 3 is the cos of 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. This is 4 pi by 3 can be written as pi plus pi by 3 third quadrant, minus 1 by 2 minus of root 3 by 2, minus 1 minus root 3 I by 2. So these are the students. Okay, now students I will take another one. So that is the students, the another one is x power 4 equal to, how to write the students? The x power 4 is the 1. After then students we got plus or minus I and plus or minus 1. This is also students 1 plus I into 0. This is the students cos of 0 plus I sin 0. So x power 4 equal to, students, we can written as cis 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0, this is the cis of 0. Now students we can written as x equal to cis of 1 by 4 0. How to write the students? How can you write? This is x equal to cis of 2k pi plus 0 by 4, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. My dear students, when we are taking k equal to 0, that is x equal to cis 0. Cis 0 is the cos 0 plus I sin 0 is the 1. When we are taking k equal to 1, students, x equal to cis of pi by 2. Cos 90 plus I sin 90. This is the students cos 90 plus I sin 90. Cos 90 is 0. This is I. Therefore I. So after that students k equal to 2. X equal to k equal to 2. That means 2 2s are 4. 4 4 cancel. That is cis pi. Cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is the minus 1. Sin pi 0. That is minus 1. After that students k we are taking 3. Now this is the students x equal to cis of that is the 3. Now cis of 3 pi by 2. What is the students? Cis of 3 pi by 2. After that student cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. Cos of 3 pi by 2 0. Sin of 270 minus 1, that is minus I. So students plus or minus I, plus or minus 1. Are you understand students? This is the nth root of a complex number. What is the students? When we are taking z equal to nth root of, nth root means 1 by n theta. There is a form, sis of all of you remember this one, 2k pi plus theta. In generally we have to multiply with 1 by n into theta, where n is there in denominator. Suppose everybody know that sis power n theta equal to cis n theta. When it is a denominator, when it is a rational number, cis of 2k pi plus theta. 2k pi we know that this is nothing but first quadrant. So 2k pi plus theta by n, where my dear students, where what is the k? K is the student 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n minus 1. Where k is the students 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. Are you understand students? The cis power 1 by n theta is the form cis power 1 by n theta is the formula students. Cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. Cis power 1 by n theta equal to cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. Okay students. My dear students, this is the very important question. Solve x power 9 minus x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So dear students, the common factor is x power 5. X power 4 minus 1. This is x power 4 minus 1. So students, this is x power 4 minus 1 into x power 5 plus 1 equal to 0. So students, x power 4 minus 1 is the common x power 5 plus 1. After then students, x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. This is x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. First x square equal to minus 1. This is the I square. X equal to plus or minus I. X square equal to 1. X equal to plus or minus 1. Okay students, x square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. After then students, x power 5 plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is the students, x power 5 equal to minus 1. This is the students cos pi plus I sin pi. Minus 1 is the students cos pi plus I sin pi. So dear student, this can be written as cis of pi. Cis of 1 by 5 into pi. Okay students, how can you write this is? First you can write plus 1 is the minus 1 cos pi plus I sin pi. This is whole power 1 by 5 into 5. So just now students, we are discussed about cis of 2k pi plus pi. How to write 2k pi plus pi upon 5, where students k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my dear students, how can you write this is cis of 2k pi plus 1 into pi by 5. Are you understand students? So suppose k equal to 0. My dear students, when you are taking k equal to 0, what is the x is the students? We got cis of 2k pi plus 1 into pi by 5. Suppose k equal to 0, that is cis of pi by 5. Cis of k equal to 1, that is 3 pi by 5. K equal to 2, that is cis of 5 pi by 5. What is the students? Cis of 5 pi by 5. After that students, what is that? The another one is cis of, when we are taking 3 2s are is the 7 pi by 5. After that students, cis of 4 is the 4 2s are 8, 9 pi by 5. So cis pi by 5. What is the students? Cis pi by 5, 3 pi by 5, 7 pi by 5, 9 pi by 5. This is the cis pi. Cis pi means again we got minus 1 is also there minus 1. So my dear students, This is the students x power 5 plus 1 is 0. That is minus pi cos pi plus I sin pi. This is cis pi. The power 5 sending other side whole power 1 by 5. We know that the 1 by n, just now we discussed cis of 2k pi plus theta. Theta is the pi upon n. That is where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we are taking 0, that is pi by 5. We are substituting 1, that is 3 pi by 5. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 5. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 5. 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 5. These are the values. So how many values, students? The x power 9 is there. These are 4 values. These are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the x has the 9 values. Okay, students? So, students, find the value of 8i whole power 1 by 3. First, students, I can be written as 0 plus I into 1. This is the, students, we can written as cos of 90 plus I sin 90. 0 plus I into 1 cos 90 plus I sin 90. This is the, students, cis of pi by 2. Cos 90 plus I sin 90, that is cis of pi by 2. Dear students, how can you write this is 8i whole power 1 by 3. 8 power 1 by 3. So, dear students, we can written as 8 into I is the, students, cis of pi by 2 whole power 1 by 3. This is the, students. Dear students, the 8 can be written as 2 cube. I is the, students, cis of 90. This is cis power 1 by 3 into 90. These two are cancelled. Dear students, we can written as this is cis of 2k pi plus pi by 2. How can you write the, student? This is 3 cancel, cis of 2k pi plus theta. We have just already I discussed cis power. We know that cis power 1 by n theta is the cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. Cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. So, students, cis of 2k pi plus theta by n is the, students, 3. So, dear students, we can written as where k equal to 0, 1, 2. Where k equal to, students, 0, 1, 2. So, students, this is we can written as if k equal to 0. If k equal to 0, that implies, suppose we are taking this is the, students, some z. Then z is the, students, when we are taking k equal to 0, how can you write the, student? This is cis of 2 2 is 4. 4k plus 1 pi by 6. When we are taking the k equal to 0, that is, student, 2 into cis of pi by 6. What is the, student? K equal to 0, 2 into cis of pi by 6. Suppose the, students, when k equal to 1, that is 2 into cis of, what is the, students? K equal to 1, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is the, students, 5 pi by 6. After then, students, when we are taking k equal to 2, that is z equal to 2 into cis of 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 6. After then, students, how can you write this is the, students, 2 into cos 30. What is the, students? Cos of 30. We can written as this is a 2 into cos of pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. So, dear students, this is cos of 30 root of 3 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2 root 3 plus I is the first value. My dear students, this is 2 into cos of 5 pi by 6 I sin 5 pi by 6. This is the students we can written as cos of pi minus pi by 6 plus I sin pi minus pi by 6. So students, this is cos 180 minus theta cos theta. Cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta in second quadrant. Sin of 180 minus theta is the students sin theta. This is the value students again minus of root 3 by 2 1 by 2 minus of root 3 plus I. Now student, this is pi pi by 6 pi minus pi by 6 pi minus pi by 6 cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta sin of 180 minus theta sin theta, that is minus root 3 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2 2 cancel. Now student, this is we can written as how to write the student, this is we can just you can take 2, this is 4 2s are 8 8 plus 1 is the 9. So students, cis of 3 3s are 3 2s are, how can you write? This is the student cos of 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. So everybody know that, what you know that cos of 3 pi by 2, 3 2s are 3 3s are. So students, cos 3 pi by 2, that is 0, cos 270 is 0. This is the students minus 1 minus of I. Okay students, so this is the students minus of 2I. So how many values we got? When we are taking k equal to 0, root 3 plus I. When we are taking k equal to 1, minus root 3 plus I. This is minus of 2I. Sum of all values. My dear students, first we find the sum of all values. What is the first value students? Root 3 plus I plus, this is the students minus root 3 plus I plus minus of 2I. Dear students, root 3 cancel. After then I plus I, 2I. What is the students? I plus I is the 2I. So this is the 2I minus 2I. It will be the 0. Sum will be the 0. Now students, we have to find product. Now students, the product equal to, what is the students the product is? First we take root 3 plus I. After then student, first we are taking root 3 plus I. After then minus is the common students, root 3 minus I is there, minus of 2I. So students, minus of a square minus b square. A square is the 3 minus b square is I square is the 1, that is minus of 2I. A square minus b square, a square is the 3 minus b square is I square is the minus. After then 3 plus 1 is the 4. What is the students? We can written as minus into minus plus, 3 plus 4 4. 4 2s are is the students 8I. Are you understand students? Minus into minus plus, 4 2s are is the 8I. This is the product. What is the students? This is the product. Okay. So students, find the product of 4 values of cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power 3 by 4. So this is the students cos of pi by 3, I sin pi by 3 whole power 3 by 4. My dear students, this is first we can take n. First we are taking z. That is the students z equal to cos, this is taken n, cos n theta plus I sin n theta, that is cos pi I sin pi whole power 1 by 4. 3 pi by 3, this is 3 pi by 3, 3 cancel. After then z power 4 on both sides, taking power 4 on both sides. This is therefore z power 4 equal to 4 cancel, cos pi is the -1, sin pi is the 0. Now students, this is we got z power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So students, this is the form. How to know that student? Z power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. It has the 4 roots. Those are z1, z2, z3. Therefore, product of the roots z1 into z2 into z3 into z4 equal to a4 by a0. That is 1 by 1. Suppose students, the one more information is there. How to write the students? Here, all of you just 1 minute students. The z power 4 minus z power 1 minute student, z power 4 plus 1 we got. This is the students we can written as z power 4 minus of minus 1. Z power 4 minus of I square. Minus of I square. So students, this is, how can you write? This is the students z square plus z square plus I. Okay students, z square, what is the students? Z square minus I. So we got here the 4 values. So my dear students, the z square equal to minus I. Z square equal to minus I. So students, and another one is z square equal to I. Z square equal to students plus or minus root of I. This is the students z square equal to plus or minus of root of minus I. So students, we got here, this is the z. This is also z. Square is standing other side, plus or minus I. Now students, the product of all these values must be, we got 1. How to students? Here the product of all values, here this is plus into minus minus. So we can written as plus or minus root of minus is the I square. What is the student? Minus is the I square. So minus value we know that I square, that is I root I. So dear students, this is product of all values plus or minus root of I. So students, this means we got here I root I is the one value, another one is the minus I root I. This is the students root of I, and another one minus root of minus I. So students, plus into minus into plus into minus, this is the plus, plus into minus minus, this is also minus, minus into minus plus. Now students, here the first two brackets, I into I is the I square, this is the root of I square is the I into I square. So this is, what is the students we got? I into I square, this is the root of I square. After that, my dear students, how can you write this is? So student, this is root of I square. So I square, root of I square, I square, I square. Minus 1 into minus 1, this is the plus 1. This is the another method. So another one more method is also there students. When we are taking, this is cis pi. So the one more method is there. Cis pi whole power 1 by 4. That is cis of, we know that 2k pi plus theta by 4. This is a cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 4, where k 0, 1, 2, 3. These all values are substituting here. Then we got k equal to pi by, then you got cis pi by 4, after then cis of 3 pi by 4, after then 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. The product of all these values, undoubtedly we got again 1. Are you understand students? What is the one more method? When we are taking, this is cis pi by 4. After then, when we are taking the 1, this is cis of 3 pi by 4. After then, cis of 5 pi by 4. When we are taking 3, cis of 7 pi by 4. So what is the students? Product of all these values, cis A into cis B into cis C into cis D. sis of a plus b plus c. Pi plus 3 pi 4 pi. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 7 16. 16 pi by 4. So this is the sis of 4 pi. Sis 4 pi is the cos of 4 pi plus I sin 4 pi. This is the 1 plus 0, that is 1. Are you understand, students? 1 plus 0 is the students 1. So my dear students, this is today's students. My dear student, this is today. All of you practice this video. Tomorrow I will explain some different models in De Moivre's theorem. After then, day after tomorrow, again we will start complex numbers. Okay students, thank you all.